Tneib House, a residence conceived by Abdel Qader Tarabieh Architecture in the ancient city of Amman, Jordan. Completed in 2025 and covering 250 square meters, this house stands as a quiet, introspective sanctuary, retreating from the bustle of the street and offering an intimate world of calm within its walls. From the exterior, the architecture presents itself as a procession of low, stone walls, solid, monolithic, and continuous, resting under a broad concrete canopy. These massive walls are not just barriers, they are thresholds, quietly orchestrating how the home reveals itself and how everyday life unfolds behind them. The design language of Tneib House draws deeply from local, historical, and Islamic architectural traditions. Inward-facing courtyards, heavy masonry, and protective enclosures speak of architecture rooted in place and culture, where spaces invite reflection, stillness, and a dialogue with time-honored building practices. Large sliding glass doors, designed to retract into the stone walls, blur the boundary between interior and exterior. When opened, they extend living space outward beneath the canopy into the courtyard and garden, capturing light, air, and seasonal rhythms. At the heart of the home lies the central living space, situated between two solid masses, one housing the private night quarters, the other accommodating service functions. This spatial choreography creates a clear, open core that breathes beneath the concrete roof. Within the courtyard, carefully preserved olive trees, ancient and resilient, anchor the space with memory and presence. These trees link the contemporary architecture to the enduring landscape and heritage of Jordan, reminding us that architecture is not only about shelter but also about roots and continuity. Material choices in Tneib House are deliberate and evocative. Outside, white local chiseled stone laid in rhythmic horizontal courses grounds the home in its environment. Inside, soft natural wood and muted tones cultivate serenity, warmth, and a refined sense of calm. Ultimately, Tneib House is both protective and expansive. A modern residence deeply anchored in heritage, where heavy walls offer shelter and the courtyard invites light. It stands as a contemplative space where everyday life unfolds with clarity, comfort, and a profound connection to history.